I'm Carlos Harris. We're going to be talking about how I fixed my credit. I'm just giving you the ins and outs of how I was able to get my credit back up to a 750 that originally it started out at a 566. $10,604 is what I owed to a bunch of different companies, and that ultimately tanked my credit score down. A company called MSI Credit Solutions, which they go after all the negative marks and stuff on your credit report and try to get those things removed. I invested my money to hire his company to go after all the negative stuff that I had on my credit report to get me back in some type of, good standing. And then over the course of time that I was enrolled within their program, they were able to get 6 out of the 7 negative marks off of my credit report, which ultimately boosted it up. And if you guys want to check them out, you can click the link below. They'll give you a free consultation and give you the rundown of how all their services work. But that ultimately kickstarted my journey to getting back into good graces as far as credit. Peace.